wonderful opportunity to be an instructor today. As you guys all know that our GD topic is importance of teacher in our life. As you guys all know that teacher is not just a educator. They act as a guide, motivator, mentor in our life. And first of all, then I would like to call Mr. Rupesh to share his wonderful thoughts on importance of teacher.
So, hello everyone. Good evening, sir. Hi, Mr. Rupesh, and today we are at our GD class, and our topic is importance of teacher. So, at first, I would like to mention that what is teacher. But teacher is a person whose job is to teach us, and even they also used to motivate us. It's called teacher. And if we talk about teachers, but teachers are very important in our life because teacher plays a very important role model in our life because they used to support us and they also used to motivate us, and even teacher also support us in what I want to become in the future, and even they also used to get supported in the field which we are very good. Just for example, if you are good in the mathematics, then your teacher will support you. Please focus on the mathematics by the help of which you will become very good mathematician in your class or even in the school. And if we take a second example, if we think that a person is very good in sports, and then the sport teacher used to support you in that sports field, and because which was also very helpful to you to make a career in the sports. Just for the example, just me, I am also very good in sports, so I think that I will also make my life or make my aim as a sports person. And if we talk about the first teacher of our life, then the first teacher of our life is our parents, because they are the persons who used to teach us how to behave, how to sit, how to eat, and all the things which we are very important to survive in the world. And if we think that if we talk about some important teachers, so we will consider about Mr. John sir, who is a very good teacher of English spoken. And if we talk about some teachers in the sports, well, it's Winder sir, where he is a national champion and also Asian gold medalist in sports, and he is my idol also. And so many other teachers in my life present. So that's all about my thoughts on the teachers. So thank you everyone.
Very wonderful thoughts.
Next one. It's now turn.
Now I would like to call Mr. Abhay to post his thoughts.
Thank you everyone. Hello everyone. Very good to all of you. Today we are assembled here for the group discussion, and today our caption what is the importance of teacher. Firstly I want to introduce what is teacher. They are the person who used to motivate us and guide us to get your dream job in your life, and it's for teacher. And as we know that the first teacher of our life is parents, is our parents. They who learn all of the important lesson of our life, like he learn how to walk, how to speak, and how to all of the peoples and all of the things. And now we talk about what importance of teacher. Then a teacher always used to motivate us and always show you a right way in your life. Then you can easily get your dream job in your life. And a teacher always wants that you get a job in your life or not, but a teacher always wants that you become a honest man and always serve the country and all the society and the families in your life with honesty. And that's all. Thank you.
There is Mr. Shivam to put their thoughts.
A very good evening. Today is our GD class, and our topic is importance for teacher. Well, firstly, I would like to introduce you to his teacher, a person who guides us in our name is our teacher. Well, teacher is the person who always supports us in every situation. If you want to achieve your goal or in any field which you are, teacher is the person who always guide you and tell you which is good or bad for you. Teacher teacher will always help you and support you in this. And if you want to know the first teacher, well, in my opinion, our parents, because parents were the first one who teaches us how to speak, how to walk, how to behave, and everything. And it is very important to survive in this world, and necessary to survive in this world. Well, teacher, in my opinion, teacher is the person you can trust blindly, because teacher never think wrong about you. He always try to help you, try to push you up in your life.
Please welcome Mr. Amit for the name.
Dear respected sir and all dear friends, very good evening to you. Today is my PT class. Topic is importance of teacher. Okay, what is teacher? Teacher is a guide us, motivate us for teacher. And teacher is the person who always guide us, motivate us, and everything, every situation is guide us.
Now I'd like to about
First of all, let us have all my self and I will going to all of you. Today our executive content and topic is importance of teacher and our topic. So, what is teacher? Teacher is the person who teaches, guide us and motivate us and support us. So, and teachers give knowledge and physically and mentally build the we could build the knowledge anything, and he builds honesty and how to talk and how to walk in the society and improve your skills. And first teacher in your our life is mother, because you teach all things in hand you want, and he hated periods do not walk in other he teaches.
now it's Mr. Sachin.
Thank you, everyone. Hi, this is Sachin, and thank you to giving me the opportunity to speak on group discussion. And it's our group discussion on topic importance of teacher. First, we like to introduce what is teacher. There is a person who teaches, motivate, and mentor us is called teacher. When we talk about a teacher, first teacher in our life, that is my parents, who teaches us how to walk, how to talk, how to survive in this world, where everyone cheated you in everything, and that a parents who knows everything about you, when he failed to recognize your skill, then come to the school teacher to recognize your skill, natural talent, and who mentor us, and you can achieve through your natural talent. And he failed when your life in your life comes college teacher, and college teacher help you to how to manage a study with financial because of in that period you are able to have to earn something on that period, and you have also study, and that's all.
Now I'd like to request Mr. Ross to share his thoughts.
Good afternoon, all my supporting and hi, speakers. It's a TV session where our topic is importance of teacher in your life. And first I get what is teacher. There is a person who leads you in many ways and don't know which ways he leads you. It's called teacher. And as far as importance of teacher, according to me, importance of teachers is concerned, whatever I am today in any positions, in any rank, because of my teachers. Since childhood to till now, whatever you are, any types of situations you are in, because of your teachers. And the main things is that
we all are the students. We need to be confident. Anyone, we all are motivated in any ways. In those times, you need a guider. In other words, you say teachers. And I give and I learned from annals, and I also see those all things. Like I give some examples of a world winner, Mr. Hitler, Emax Hitler, because of his teachers. And second examples of my God, Lord Rama, he Max Mad Rama, because of his teachers. He defeated Ravana because of his teachers now. And many more examples. Those points I have left, those points are concerned my great Prashant. Thank you.
Respected sir and all my dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. Today we are assembled here for a group discussion of teacher in our life. In my point of view, importance of teacher in life is very important because whatever you get the knowledge through the teacher only, in the future, whenever you want to crack any exam or you can pass a government job without teacher, without mentor, without motivational speech, you can't be able to crack that exam. So I believe in teacher. In my point of view, from ancient time, you can say that one of the most Guru Dronacharya and Eklavya, the best example of student and teacher. Eklavya was the student who made the statue of her teacher Guru Dronacharya. From that he learned how to do all the thing on getting knowledge from the statue of the Dronacharya. Then the Dronacharya was that when I have not given the single words of him education. After that he is a very brilliant. Have all things that giving the student giving knowledge. From that also the very best student of our life. I think teachers helps in your future to thanks.
Now I'd like to request Ms. Kanchan to share her thoughts. Now I'd like to request Ms. Neha. Sorry. Please, Supriya, share your thoughts.
Respected sir and my dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. As you know, the our big contest and our caption is importance of teacher in our life. Let me first introduce what is teacher. Here is the great person that to guide us and motivate us and also encourage and motivate us. My opinion, first teacher in our life is our parents that see encourage to achieve our goals.